Hello and very good morning to every one of you. Today I'm here to pay a tribute to all the great soldiers who led their lives for our country. Today I'm here to celebrate Kargil Vijay Divas. Yes, students, today is the Kargil Vijay Divas, and on this auspicious occasion, I don't want to miss an opportunity to commemorate the contributions of the armed forces. So, students, tell me one thing. If someone comes to your home forcefully and stays in your home, how will you feel? You will feel very bad and even try to throw that unwanted guest out from your house, right, students? Now tell me which country we live in. Yeah, right. We all live in India. India is our country. And there are many countries in this world like England, America, Russia, and Pakistan. So, some people from Pakistan had entered forcefully in our country in Kargil. They wanted to capture some part from our country, but our Indian soldiers fought with them, and all our soldiers fought with the Pakistani soldiers for 60 days till July 26, 1999. Since then, July 26 is celebrated as the Kargil Vijay Divas every year to commemorate the victory of Operation Vijay. As on this day, Operation Vijay was launched by the Indian Army to recapture the Indian territories from the Pakistani intruders in the Kargil Dras sector. While the 60-day long war resulted in the loss of several lives on both the sides, India eventually won the war by regaining control of all the previously held territories. Kargil was the first war between India and Pakistan after 1971. India lost more than 500 military men on the Kargil territory. Operation was officially declared closed on July 26, 1999 after India won the war. So, students, to honor the Kargil war heroes who laid down their life for the country, we will together on behalf of Gurukul International School light a candle or a diya to commemorate the contributions of the armed forces. So I request all the parents, please light a candle or a diya along with the children to remember all the great soldiers who lost their lives in saving our country. सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है, देखना है जोर कितना बाजुए कातिल में है। हिमालय से ऊंचा साहस उनका, सर जो किसी के आगे न झुका। मातृभूमि की खातिर किया सब अर्पण, ऐसे वीरों को मेरा नमन, ऐसे वीरों को मेरा नमन। So parents, I hope you all will definitely celebrate Kargil Vijay Divas along with us. Vande Mataram, Bharat Mata ki Jai.